Hello, my dear friends. Okay, what I thought today as I work on Tableau, so I thought just during my free time to upload few videos, something which I felt during my learning, kind of interesting ideas, hacks, tips, and tricks. Okay, so something like a visual or a calculated field or a parameter, like whatever with respect to a Tableau development, Tableau report development. So what I thought, let's make like a very quick short video and then upload here, so that whenever you watch it, it will add little bit value to your Tableau work. So this is my first video, and then I just did a sample report. I'll not dig into that in detail, like how did I develop, but I just to start with, I'll just show few things which are interesting. So what I'm using a Tableau Public in my machine, which is free of cost, and then I created a public profile, and then I'll be uploading all my viz here so that you can follow this link. I'll provide this link in my video description. You just click and you navigate here and then you download. Probably for few I may not give the download authorization, but for like many I may give, because it's just like a dummy data and a nice kind of visuals, so you can download and explore yourself. So what I'm doing here, I will be connecting this to Google Sheets, so which is also free. So this is something, it's a kind of free package. Okay, if you are willing to explore and learn, I think you can do really nice thing in Tableau report development. So Google Sheet, which is free. If you just have a Gmail, then directly just click on doc.google.com and then create a sheet and then paste the data. So what I did here, like I took a Nifty 500 stock list. So probably if you are aware of the stock market, Indian stock market, so like there are like indexes, the Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, and Nifty 500. So what I did, I downloaded this, where we have a company name, industry, and it's NSE ticker or a symbol, and it's like EQ, like equity series, and we have like ISIN code for each company. So I used this, and just wanted to show a simple graphical way what I'm showing here, right? Like in one industry, how many stocks are there? You see like 69. It's repeating because I'm showing it twice. It can be taken out, like we can show in one, and we can show like center here, like you can, this is something a lollipop chart, we can change it like as we wish. So and then if you see the size also, like it is decreasing because of the count, 69 being the highest, so it has a bigger circle, and it keeps coming smaller and smaller because of the size. Okay, and then a few things, if you observe, if you come down, if you see like where it's connected to the Google Sheet, uh, where you will see that. So the moment I refresh here, will we see that detail? It's not providing where it's connected. Okay, so if you see, this data is not there. Cool. Let me check in my next video how we can show where it's connected. Probably it's not showing now. If you see November 27, like this is okay, 235. It's refreshed recently. Let me refresh and see. It's getting uploaded. Let's see the refresh date. Okay, it should be like, okay, 446. Now it is 447. It's just refreshed 1 minute back. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, let me quickly make some change. And this financial services, we have 69, right? Let's do apply this filter. Let's select that industry, right? This is the financial services, right? Like we know there are totally 69. Okay, what I do, I'll just do, okay, to the last, I'll just update. Okay, it's a dummy. Okay, NBFC. Okay, I'll change it later. I'll just update. So now this number should come down to 20. Okay, the moment I refresh the report, what I do, I'll come here again, and then I will request again. It takes like a few seconds. Let me refresh and see whether it's got updated or not. uh, for 46, I think it's taking some time. let's wait for a couple of seconds. And then let's see, yes, for 48 it got refreshed, and then you see, right, NBFC got introduced, which has 49, and financial services, which is 20. Okay, so 20 and NBFC is 49, which was showing here, NBFC 49. So that's how you can make, the change in the data dynamically and upload, refresh the viz. So few things, like if you select here and then you can keep only, so that it dynamically changes the value. Sometime it is tricky, I don't know why, but if you see, let's wait, yeah, keep only, so that it arranges accordingly, right? And then whenever you want to come back, just come here and reset the viz, so that it will reset the for the whole viz. And even you can like highlight, like this highlighting option is there, and then right click. I think here also you can keep only thing. Do I need to enable that? I have to enable that, I think so. Okay, yeah, from this also we can keep, like, like only what we wanted. So I'm selecting chemicals, and press a control. um See, it's okay, 1 second, it's not changing, looks like. Okay, now it's highlighting, right? I'll highlight few couple of things. Okay, so you see, okay, as and when I select the industry, so that's being highlighted here. Okay, but we can do a lot of things. So this is something simple thing what I wanted to show to start with. So yeah, so download and let me know if you want to have some more things. Just do comment what you want to have, so that I'll try to implement that in my next video. Thanks for watching.